here's how we can save a loop photo as a video on the iPhone. So let me explain the whole thing. If you are first time on this channel, make sure you become part of our community by subscribing, and that way you don't miss anything important. So the important point is that the loop photos are basically called live photos. So inside of your gallery, you have the ability to enable the live photo. And if you do enable it, then the photos will contain some sort of motion or movement. You can then find those inside of the gallery, and you can hold down on them and the photo will be like brought to life basically. You can even change it from the live effect to the loop, which is probably the thing you have in mind, meaning that the photo just keeps on animating over and over again and kind of keeps being in this stage. So if you want to save that as a video, what you have to do at first is to tap on the effects and make it go back to the live, right? So just switch it from the loop to the regular live, and then in the top right corner, when you tap on more options in the three dots menu, you can see the option to save it as a video. So this is what you can click on, and basically all of the movement which was captured inside of the live photo will then be saved as a regular video, which is going to be stored in the gallery. So whatever you want to do with it, you now have a video version of that loop photo. So that is very likely the thing which you had in mind. If not, definitely let me know about it below in the comments. I'm gonna definitely make more videos about it if I haven't made them already about the topic you mentioned below. But that's it for me. Hit the thumbs up if you liked the video, and I'm gonna catch you later in the future uploads.